Hallo a thula duine dóchas go bhfuil sibh go maith. Ha mbeadh drásta ann Gairloch Primary School bhíonn scoil Gairloch na Gaelic agus mar a bhíosa gach leachcaigh na beithe an Michael. Chicken.
Seo an chlásach.
Chicken. Aha. Wel, mae'n trwy'r ac eisiau clicio gema. So, yn dyrasta, ha mi colbari mo charach yn ura. Jen tynnu mo hors?
Christina. Melon. Ben. Bella. Finley.
Gleva. Melon, you don't speak any Gaelic, apart from a wee bit, is that right?
Yeah, just a wee bit.
A wee bit. A cha Gaelic acasiv, nach Caill?
No.
I guess, Melon, you don't have any Gaelic, but you had a really good idea, didn't you, about Gaelic?
Yeah. It was, so I think people that are not in the Gaelic class should learn like more Gaelic. It would be good in the school.
Melon, does your class like learning the Gaelic phrase every single week?
I'm not sure, but I think most of them, yeah.
Good. Do you keep them right?
Yeah.
Making sure that they like it?
Yeah.
I guess, Jay and Napperst aha active in Seachdain show as a class?
Foot me.
And foot me. I guess Jay hat and foot me Gàidhlig.
Can I?
Can I? May I? So have you all been practicing how to say that?
Oh yeah, we say it instead of like saying it in English, we got to the teacher and say it in Gaelic.
Oh, Margarita. So if you need to go and get anything, you say, and foot me.
So if you're going to the toilet, you'd say and foot me Caill I.
Oh, my, na foot me falgan ty big television. Good mood. Should love yourself, ma, Melon. Agus hold of it, gyfo sgolarig Gaelic achge, cwdiach. Beisgym. Haim hagema, cemra haim hagema, cemra haim hagema, hagema, zapalay. An sa scoil seo, bí scoilbar in na giúnscaig is a Gaelic agus cwdiach is a bhearba a cha mi smúnechaig go rééis seo an clas Gaelic. Tu cin gus an féich sin? At ula go math hangin drásta, symud at ag sicha jebichen, tu cin? Gan ma leiscail go le duine, tu has a fydgianaf an drásta? Tu has a fydgianaf? A se clúiche le cáiste a bhil. Dín gemma ha seo.
Tus ni cúntacha dín clár iad tas ni cúntacha an clár bud it cóig.
Mar ur it cóig ma hain. Fyd na coitar a bhat sa se go dhéanamh.
So tú bhaci seo cóig is it ja?
Dí. Na.
Bís na bhut é féin Gaelic.
Cleachd I.